5 first-round drafted. That's a first-round truck right
That's the first round. Today, y'all, I'm so pumped because we just built a truck for a national champion. That's right, we are talking about a national champion Georgia Bulldog coach and a great guy, Mr. Todd Hartley, the tight end coach for the national champion. Let's go, boys! Yes! Yes! We still the champs, baby! And we just had 5 of them gone in the first round yesterday. Todd Hartley, a phenomenal guy. Ties back with Georgia way back in the day, even with Mark Rick. He's got some ballers in his family as well. Got a little baseball players, little athletes running around. He's going to be here just in a few minutes, and I'm hoping that he's bringing the championship ring because I've been wanting to put my hands on it. I got to touch the trophy, but nonetheless, we got his beautiful Covert edition. Let's go. Okay, I'm going to see if I can calm down here to review this beautiful truck for our great customer and friend and coach. He had a big part in coaching the Dogs. I mean, back in the day, y'all, he told me that we actually even did a truck for Brock Bowers a few years back too, and he said, Neal, the kid from Cali, you got to watch out for him because he is legit and the best tight end in the country already through his freshman year. Much props to that, and doing a great job with the tight ends. Check out this carbonized gray Covert edition, y'all. I mean, it's worth more with these 2 items here sitting on top of the hood. I'm just still so pumped, y'all. But we are leveled on 37s. Little money shot action right here. I love this look. We are 2.5-inch coil spring leveled up front. We put a different block in the rear, a 4-inch block in the rear. And the way it's pitched right now, it looks slightly heavier in the front as far as slightly higher in the front, but that's just because of the angle of the concrete here. This is a great proportion right here. You don't have the additional inch block in the rear. It's slightly squatted in the rear. So just from our experience, we know that going slightly taller in the rear with a block or a different leaf pack is the way to go. And we are big boy, y'all. I mean, the national championship, my man got hooked up, American Force, 22 fully forged wheels, 22 by 10, -18. So that offset puts us in that mid-level range. We're a little more than mid-level. We're probably slightly past the mid-level range, sticking out a good 4.5 inches, but just a level kit. A lot of you know, probably been told by other places or just unsure if this setup will work, being so aggressive, but most people try to run this setup on a 4-inch kit, but Real Deal just thinks that's too tall. This is a great, this is perfect, y'all. Money set up. Love it, and Todd loves, just like I do, a good, clean, classy. I mean, you got a chrome package truck. Let's throw a nice, fully polished wheel on there, 37s, and roll. This truck on 35s, is so-so, but to me, this overall setup on 37s is the way to go. And I had this truck sitting right here earlier and was looking and was like, man, Todd, we got to trim that valence. So definitely we trimmed that front valence for him as well, and then put wheel well liners out back. And this is the Power Stroke, pumping out 475 horsepower and 1,050 pound-feet of torque. So it's got so much power. I can't wait to hear from him on his enjoyment overall, just how much power. It's like our tight ends and our team. So much power. Incredible. Big 12-inch touchscreen. He's going to love that. I love to use that area there and here for storage. See, I got my sunglasses sitting there right now. Leather wrapped steering wheel, leather seats also. So you can get great value in a leather package by going with the Lariat and some more nice features on the inside to complement. A clean and classy Covert edition on 22s and 37s, sitting just right. Akins liner, guaranteed for life, out back as well. And a good look at our 2.5-inch Ready Lift coil spring level kit up front and our wheel and tire combo. For reference, the stock number is NEE12968. So hit us up if you like what you see on this one. That way our guys can easily just get you some more information on building one like these for you. But can't wait to see Todd's expression. Maybe we'll get him on camera too when he gets here. All right, y'all, so I just shot the video. I told you I hope we could get him in here. I know you love the truck. You ain't got to give us a plug.
No.
Just tell us about the Dogs.
Love it.
What anything about our Dogs?
Dogs are working hard. Just got done with spring ball. Healthy spring for the most part. They're about to go to make a little bit of break in
May,
and then come back in June, ready to go, man. Ripping and roaring June, July, getting ready for fall camp in August. Should be good times, man.
So
How about the draft last night?
I mean, I just talked about it, dude. I was running circles around this lot because of how pumped we are.
5 first-round drafted. That's a first-round truck right
That's
there.
the first round. That's
a first-round truck right there.
I said between what we got going on with Georgia and Akins and everything, like this is the second natty right here. This is gonna be natty edition number 2.
Beautiful, man.
That's right.
Appreciate everything y'all did for us, man.
Thank you. And y'all, Real Deal's Georgia grad back in 2008 as well. So, and I've been there. With my father, with my son, with my family, so many countless games over the years. I'm a national champion too. I've been there with my boys, and I'm a Bulldog too, so this is special to me. Anytime we can be a part of the University of Georgia staff or any way possible just to better their enjoyment on an everyday basis, that's what it's all about, y'all. So carbonized gray, 2022, Super Duty, Covert Edition, leveled on 37s. I think another natty's coming. I just think that it's our year again. We just reloaded and we're not slowing down. Just like us right here at Akins and Wild Willies. Got to come check us out for everything auto because we ain't stopping, y'all. We're just getting stronger. Peace out.